So today we'll be unboxing. It's a different kind of video. It's kind of an unboxing video. I've recently bought the SM58 vocal microphone to replace my BM800 microphone. And it's a pretty hefty price. It cost about $160 with the exchange rate of 48 pesos from the third world of the Philippines. So what we have here, legendary sound, unmatched performance, yada yada. Let's throw that aside for now. And here are some decals, I think. As you can see, it's all made in China, assembled and made in China. So we have this kind of decal thing. And this yellow paper, okay. Then, oh, it's written in Chinese, I can't read it. And this white paper, it is actually the warranty paper. And it looks like a diploma, by the way. Let's put that aside right now. And here is the user guide. I think no one reads that, so let's just throw it away. And the most important part of the packaging is the bubble wrap. And here is also an anti-static band. The mic holder and the I'm not sure what material is this, but I think it's a bit leathery, and it is embroidered very well. Not quite sure about the durability of the zippers though. So here is the actual microphone. So it feels a bit heavier than the condenser microphone I have. Here we can see the genuine seal. I see that the logo and the microphone name. The color of it is the same gray as the globe covering of the microphone. I removed the globe protector of it, and you can see that the threads are actually made of metal rather than plastic. And on the top of it, you can see that there are grills on it, tiny holes. So let's open this up more. And you can see that there are two wires on it. And it seems like being soldered properly and glued in properly also. Let's just reassemble it again before I break anything. So you might also notice that this microphone has a lot of documentation. So when you buy this one, it just includes the microphone, nothing else. So if you need a cord, a boom stand, you'll need to buy it separately. So some key things you need to know about this microphone if you need to use this on your computer like I do. So number 1, you need a USB interface to connect this one. Number 2, this mic doesn't need phantom power, but some channels would recommend that you would buy this cloud lifter, which it does is it converts the phantom power to a clean gain for this microphone. But either way, you can live without it. And lastly, you need to speak directly to the microphone. As said before, this is a relatively quiet microphone, and it doesn't pick up sounds quite well about 2 feet or 4 feet away if you don't have high gain or a good preamp. This is what I sound like 2 feet away. So compared to the BM800 microphone that I had, the condenser microphone, so number 1 thing I've noticed is the microphone is not clipping that much. I'm starting to sound like a real human, not a robot. Number 2, it lessens the background sounds. So I have an electric stand fan at my back. It picks up like just a little bit, but unlike the condenser microphone I have, it really picks it up. And also there are chickens and dogs. The Shure microphone does a better job in suppressing noise. Yeah, sure, because it is like a dynamic microphone. So this is what my room sounds like. It's early in the morning right now. So as you can see, there's the stand fan there. And yeah. And you can hear actually the chickens. I will provide some links in the description below for the reviews, the testing from other YouTube channels, because they do more in-depth look about this mic, and you can judge for yourself what you can do or what to buy next.